What is a guest Wi-Fi network?
A guest Wi-Fi network is a separate network on your router designed for visitors. It allows guests to connect to the internet without accessing your main devices, files, or smart home systems. This separation helps maintain your privacy and keeps your household network secure while still providing convenient internet access.
Why should you use a guest network?
Using a guest network protects your personal data and devices. Visitors' phones, laptops, or tablets might unknowingly carry malware. Isolating guest traffic reduces the risk of threats spreading to your main network. Additionally, you can set limits and monitor usage on the guest network, keeping your primary connections fast and safe.
How do you set up guest Wi-Fi?
Most modern routers offer a guest network option in their settings. Access your router's app or web interface, locate the guest network section, and follow the prompts to enable it. You'll typically create a separate Wi-Fi name and password for guests. Once activated, share the guest details with your visitors.
What are best practices for guest Wi-Fi security?
Set a strong, unique password for your guest network and update it regularly. Avoid leaving the network open. Disable guest access to local network resources so visitors can't see or control your home devices. Enable network isolation if available. Consider limiting bandwidth to prevent slowdowns for your main network.
Can you customize guest Wi-Fi access?
Many routers let you adjust guest network settings, such as duration, bandwidth, and device limits. You can create time-based access for parties or events, restrict how many devices can connect, and even block inappropriate websites. Customizing these options gives you better control over how guests use your Wi-Fi.